In this question, we have blocks A, B, and C. They're identical. We have A, and to help clarify this, we have three different, completely different setups. There's three different spaces here. And in A, the block is dropped and free falls. In B, it slides down the plane, a frictionless incline. There's a frictionless incline. And in block C, there's a block projected horizontally. So this is just hanging in air and someone just launches it horizontally from the same height. So if we think about this from a conservation of energy perspective, we have gravitational potential energy, which gets converted to kinetic energy, and then we have all lost energy, thermal energy at the bottom. So if we think of this in terms of gravitational potential energy being converted to kinetic energy, that is this first case here. We have a certain velocity. And they want to know which one takes the longest time to hit the ground. Looking at choices A and C, this is a horizontal projectile, and this is a free fall dropped projectile. We know A and C take the same amount of time. So the only other option is either it's choice B or that all three take the same amount of time. Reasoning more carefully, what we know is that this is going to experience an acceleration of -10. The acceleration that this B feels is going to be less than 10 meters per second squared. So of course it must take longer to reach the ground than A. So that means the one that takes the longest amount of time is B. Can't possibly be A, can't possibly be C, because they're equal to each other. It's either B or D. And they don't take the same amount of time because A has a greater acceleration in its path than B does. This is simply a component of 10.